Welcome to the Champs Crosswalk community. This TechCast is referencing how to go about searching the CCC, and this TechCast is how to search by columns and tables. This is where you know a part of the table name and a part of the column name. The CCC has multiple different methods of going about doing searches. This TechCast is focused on how to use the search function, which is the third one on the list, that allows you to search for a column based on you knowing the area, part of the table name, and part of the column name. You can limit your search to a single area, or you can search across all of the areas. Once you've selected the column that you're interested in, you can take a look at the comments. This is information provided by users about this data. Relationships, that's information about how the column you have selected relates to other columns in the data warehouse. And for Champs, mapping information, if it's available, on how the column you selected is related to one of the Champs production screens. Again, a reminder to those of you who are users of the data warehouse and not developers, you want to focus on those tables that have an extension on them called view, or a database that is view, and then a focus on the tables that have an H suffix. Again, that's databases with a suffix of views and tables with a suffix of H. We're going to go and do a search now using the third search method. When you log into the CCC, you are placed at the splash page, and when you go to search, the third search is the column table search. When you click on that, you have the ability of picking which one of the areas that you're interested in doing a search. We're going to go to the Champs data warehouse, not the Champs staged, but the Champs data warehouse. And I know that the table is called demographics, but I don't know exactly how it's spelled. So I'm going to key in demo to start with. I know that the column I'm interested in has to do something about spoken language. So I'm going to use the word spoke. Now I'm going to prepare my search. So CCC delivers a list of area of Champs data warehouse, the database names, and the demographics table names, in this case EE member demographics, and then what the column was. There's a spoken language, looks like a code, and there's a name. Remember, you were told to focus, if you're a user, on those databases that end with views and have an extension of H. So we'll click on the details there, and there is one comment out there, again by myself, that says this is the spoken language spelled out not, and by clicking on the plus key it'll expand out the comments so that you can view it. If there were multiple comments, you would see them one after another with who the owner of the comment is. By clicking on the show all, you can see all of the comments spelled out. And you'll notice an edit button here at the end of this particular comment, and that's because I'm the one who placed the comment in there, so it's possible for me to edit my own comments. However, other individual or contributors' comments and opinions can't be edited by me. This is one of the three search methods. There are two other ones that are outlined in TechCast 1 and 2. We ask that you use the system and provide any suggestions, any feedback, any corrections to us through the feedback link that's on the main menu right here. And once we get those, we will be adding updates to the system on a periodic basis. We encourage you to use the system, and thank you very much.